you know when you walk in there and you're like, oh my god, I'm not gonna buy anything, I'm just gonna browse. But I went in there specifically for this one lipstick, and if you don't know me, then I only really wear one shade of lipstick, and I used to have this Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood, I think it was Hollywood or Pure Hollywood matte lipstick. I just ran out of it, but this is years later, and I found out that she discontinued the shade. Anastasia girl, why'd you discontinue the shade? I went on a hunt last time I was in New York, and I was like, girl, please help me, I'm looking for this shade. And she was like, what is it? I took out this like lipstick and there was like almost nothing inside, and she was like, okay, we'll see what we can do. But she found me 2 shades. She found me the Charlotte Tilbury one, which was a little bit brighter, and I wish I kind of didn't get it because I don't really like the formula of it too much, but I like this because it's like a suede, so it's kind of like if you've tried the blush suede formula from MAC. It's in the shade Cam, and I just love it so much. And you know when you just find a perfect shade? This is my perfect shade. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this in the small little window of my camera. The packaging is really clean and cute, that's why I like it as well. And the cap is magnetic, so when you put it down it sort of like sticks, so I quite like that as well. I love the packaging so much. I just think it's such a nice peach pink tone, and it suits my skin quite well. Yeah, this is like my go-to shade because it doesn't really look like, it's not too bright and in your face. Yeah, I'm really happy that I managed to stock up, because the one that I bought from the US, I've not finished it. I'm scared that I'll lose it and then I won't be able to replace it, or I won't get an America trip where I can replace it so easily. So it's always good to have 2 of your favorite lipstick, you know, because you can keep one in your makeup bag and then one in your handbag, just, you know, so you don't have to keep moving things around. And then I was gonna buy this Kosas brow gel, but props to the girl that was working there. I was like, hey, like I've not been here for a while, can I claim my birthday gift? So originally, like I showed the little clip of me holding the Kosas brow gel, but when I went to the till, she was like, you can choose between this, this and this, and I was like, let me just be smart here, let me just get the same pack as they gave me last time. So this is the tester version of the brow gel. Let's see if you can see it. I was gonna get the bigger version, and that, I think it was like £30 or £25 or something like that. So I saved a little bit of money. I do want to get the big one at some point, but I just thought, let me just take advantage of this and just get the birthday gift. And then it comes with the little Kosas wet lip balm. All in all, I'm very happy, especially about the birthday gift, because, you know, free things don't come by that easily these days, so really happy with that.